Hi, you're watching IndiaGlitz.com. I'm Kavita Verma. Enjoy. See, this song is about love, compassion, a lot of it's like an amalgamation of various shades of Shringar Rasa. Oh yeah, actually I was awestruck of him, and you've seen his films, and like I was a Khalnayak film fan, and when I saw him, I said, oh God, he's the guy. So like fine, yeah, you had this butterflies in your tummy, but it was really I was honored working with him, and I revere him a lot. And Prakash Raj is also there in that song, and he's an awesome and very competent actor. See, we auditioned for this song. Mr. K. S. Ravikumar had put some auditions. I was called for the audition, and after doing that audition, I was shortlisted. And Ganesh sir, he kind of gave me some steps which I had to really do, and he was like, okay, cool. So like fine, yeah. Actually, I was learning belly dance at the time when I was auditioning for the song. So like I kind of did that, and he said, okay, fine. You know something in Indian and all. So I said, yeah, I have done Indian classical, Kathak and all. So he said, okay, fine. It was over 3 days. It was spread over 3 days, third, fourth, and fifth, and it was really. I think it was an experience which because it's my first item number, it's like cherished kind of a thing. The master line of the whole song is ye ishq krishna ki leela hai, and the line which is rendered by me is तूने दुखती रग पे उंगली रख दी है माहिया. Yeah, definitely. I always have butterflies in my tummy because see, I'm a theater actor, and in theater, whenever the third bell rings, after that, before that, also, you have this, okay, fine, now is the time you have to, like, convert yourself from the person to the actor. So I had a very beautiful experience and a very emotional experience also, because whatever the scenario, Sanjay sir is somebody, he's resilient, and he's a man who's shown his grit and a lot of, he has some internal power which makes him a very brilliant actor. See, definitely the whole unit, the whole film production is saddened by the fact that the star is not here. But definitely, Sanjay sir knows that he has done an awesome and you know he's done this film with all his heart and soul, and I understand that he knows it at the back of his mind that this is the film which is going to be his signature film. Yeah. This was shot during that 1 month bail he had got. Yeah. See, you know what? I think as an actor, universally, if you use the term, actors have this inner power to, alienate their being, their real self, and the real self. And I think Sanjay sir has mastered that quality of separating, and he does not mix his personal life and professional life, and that was evident on screen. See, actually, this all Christianity thing which happened had nothing to do with the film, firstly, but in all misunderstandings, unfortunately, I think some people raised a question, but now it's solved, and I don't think there's any problem right now. See, there's a shot in which I had to do like this on his chest, and I was like kind of very scared, and how do I do it? And Ganesh said, "नहीं नहीं दूर से नहीं, पास जाके मारो, you have to do a chest bump." So I said, how will I do? And I like in all my naivety I asked him that, so can I do that? So he said, fine, yes, why not? You can. As an actor, you have all the right to do it. So that was really embarrassing, and like he's so humble. He's his humility is all over his face. It's spread. He's a very transparent person. No, actually, there was a picture which I had clicked on a photo shoot with Mr. Sangeet Shivan, which had a rosary. I'm wearing a rosary on a bikini top, and they had an objection for that, and I asked for an apology, and the matter is sorted, well sorted. No. I'm expecting. See, I'm a theater actor, as I've said again and again. And for an actor, you have to have a range of work. You can't get stuck to one kind of a work. So I feel that I should experiment myself in varied roles also. And of course, if it is a If it is a Ghagra kind of a song with Ranbir Kapoor, who's gonna say no? Definitely. Oh, I was struggling long. I didn't get anything which I could really find that I'm justifying myself as an actor for. And I think doing a song is also, in a song, it's abhinaya. So you are kind of involving the angik, the vachik, and the aharya. That is the angik, that is body language. Vachik is the verbal, that is the lyrics of the song, and aharya is the decoration of the body, that is the costumes and your ornamentation. So I think it's a abhinaya in itself. One song has a lot to do with acting also. No, no, no. Now our industry is like rocking, and they have a lot of films which have actors, and they consider the content. And now the standards, I think, have really, really gone far ahead. Now it's not that anymore. I think everybody's very creative here. Oh God. See, I have a long list. I don't have a hit list or something. I'm just I'm right now I'm nobody, but definitely I would want to work with Amir Khan Productions because I really feel that Amir sir is an actor, and the kind of thought he has for any kind of work he does, it's par excellence. So I think if you even work with him in any kind of an ad film or a film or anything, it's gonna be a experience of a lifetime. I am waiting for creative people to come over and give their nice scripts so that I meticulously do them as an actor. And that's why maybe I did that song, because I did not. I wanted to do something different, and this came across. And Mr. K.S. Ravi Kumar, he is a very, very creative director. He has a background of lots of creative films with Rajnikant sir, and a man of his stature would definitely make a very good film.